Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are Group 2, and today we will present about best learning project, which discuss one of the crucial components in the LNG industry, the integrally geared compressor. Next. Our group members are Hiskia Diego Burning, Ariandi Budi Saputra, Andrian Adi Surya Pratama, Fadila Aziza Wahyu Putri, and Zaskia Rasmina Bila. Next.
Okay, now I'm gonna tell you about compressor in LNG industry. In the LNG or liquefied natural gas industry, a compressor is equipment used to increase the pressure of natural gas so that it can be liquefied at very low temperatures. This process involves several stages, including one, gas compression. The incoming natural gas is usually at low pressure. The compressor increases the pressure of this gas to a higher level, which is necessary for the liquefaction process. Second is cooling. After compression, the natural gas is gradually cooled through several heat exchangers until it reaches a temperature below its boiling point, minus 161 Celsius or minus 253 Fahrenheit, which transform it into a liquid. Third is storage and transportation. The liquefied natural gas is then stored in a cryogenic tanks and is ready for transportation via LNG tanker ships or specialized pipelines. And this is centrifugal pump. A centrifugal pump is a type of pump that operates based on the principle of centrifugal force to move liquids or gases. It uses a rotating impeller to increase the velocity of the fluid, which is then converted into pressure energy as the fluid exits the pump. Centrifugal pumps are commonly used in a application requiring large flow rates and moderate pressure, such as water distribution system, cooling system, and industrial process.
Okay, here are the four working principles of a centrifugal pump. First section process. Liquid from a tank or source enters the section pipe. The liquid is directed toward the eye of the impeller, which is the center of impeller. A pressure difference between the liquid source and the low pressure at the impeller. A allows the liquid to flow into the pump. This low pressure is created by the rotation of the impeller, which generates a negative pressure zone at its center. And then energy kinetic increase. The impeller rotates at the high speed, driven by the motor. When the liquid reaches the impeller eye, the impeller blades transfer kinetic energy to the liquid. The liquid is spun rapidly by the blades and thrown outward due to centrifugal force. The velocity of the liquid increases significantly during this process. Conversion of kinetic to pressure. The liquid exciting the impeller enters the followed casing. Inside the followed casing, the velocity of the liquid decreases gradually, and the kinetic energy is converted into pressure energy. The pressure of the liquid increases, enabling it to be transferred to a higher elevation or a system with higher pressure. And the last discharge process, The high pressure liquid is discharged through the discharge pipe. The liquid pressure is sufficient to push it to its destination. The flow of the discharge liquid is often controlled use a valve to maintain the liquid pressure and flow rate in the system.
Okay, next, definition. Integrally geared compressor or IGCS are a type of compressor that use multiple impeller mount on different shafts, all connected through a central gearbox. Each impeller is typically arranged in a different stage, allowing greater control over the compression process and increasing efficiency. And then working principle. Number one is central gearbox. The central gearbox distributes power to several shafts, each with one or more impeller, and then multi-stage compression. Gas is compressed in multiple stages, with each stage handled by a different impeller. This allows for gradual compression of the gas, helping to achieve higher pressure more efficiently. And then speed control. The speed of each impeller can be independently controlled, allowing for optimization of efficiency at each stage of compression. Next. And then main components. First is gearbox, the central part that distributes power to various impeller through connected shaft. Impeller, the rotating component that accelerates and compresses the gas at each stage. And then diffuser, the stationary part that converts kinetic energy into pressure at each stage. And then intercooler, heat exchanger used between stage to cool the compressed gas before it enters the next stage, enhancing compression efficiency.
Okay, impact on the LNG industry, higher energy efficiency. IGC allow for independent speed control of impellers, optimizing the compression process at each stage. This reduce overall energy consumption, thus increasing energy efficiency in the LNG production process. Two, compact and space-saving design. By using a single central gearbox to drive multiple impellers, IGC have a more compact design. This saves space in LNG facilities, which is crucial for infrastructure efficiency and cost saving. Next. Three, improve reliability and uptime. Better control over speed and pressure at each compression stage reduce mechanical stress on each component. This lowers the risk of wear and tear, enhancing the reliability and uptime of the compression system. Number four, operational flexibility. The ability to adjust impeller speeds independently provides greater operational flexibility. IGC can handle variation in operation condition more efficiently, making them ideal for the dynamic LNG environment. Next.
Five is lower operating temperatures. Using intercoolers between compression stage helps maintain lower operating temperatures, which improves efficiency and the lifespan of the compressor. Lower temperatures also reduce thermal stress on components, contributing to increased reliability. Six is lower operating costs. Higher efficiency and improved reliability mean lower long-term operating costs. While the initial investment for IGCS may be higher, energy savings and reduced maintenance costs can lead to significant total cost savings. Next is problem and solution. The problem is how to increase the efficiency of integrally geared compressor. Our solution is to create more teeth of the driver gear and reduce the size of the idler gear to make the gear rotation faster. Furthermore, the gas flows faster and accelerates the production process. In this compressor, we don't need a high torque. We just need more speed so we can make a higher kinetic energy. So the compressor is more efficient than before. I think that's all from us. If there are any mistakes, please forgive us. I hope the presentation is useful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.